Hey guys, so yesterday I had made the most ugliest video ever because y'all didn't even hear it. I know y'all didn't because when I was hearing it, it was not saying anything. So I am doing a redo right now. So I just wanted to say, if you get me to 200 subscribers, 250 subscribers, I'll do a lot of stuff like vlogs, showing my face and stuff, doing my voice and stuff, Not all the time I do my voice. So I'm gonna be doing my voice and doing more hard work with my sister. Yeah, cause we share that YouTube channel. And I'm gonna be making a new YouTube channel. It's gonna be called Nia and Zai. It's gonna be like this N-I-A and Z-A-I. That's what it is gonna be. So I'm gonna put it up on the screen. When I'm making it, I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna make it today, right now. Yeah, I'm gonna change the name of it. Yeah, but I'm gonna be making a new YouTube channel about me. If you get me 250 subscribers, like a new YouTube channel, a fresh YouTube channel. If you just get me to 250, because I worked really hard on my videos just to make y'all happy and comfortable with the videos and stuff. And I don't do gacha heat and stuff. And I do fun stuff on my YouTube, and I like doing it. So if you watch it, thank you so much. Thank you, because I do really hard work on my videos. Me and my sister do really hard work on our videos. I keep forgetting to say my sister, but I'm not thinking of her, so sorry. And stuff, but bye now, and just go follow my YouTube. My new YouTube is called Nia and Zai, N-I-A-A.